if y'all want to see how I went from this to this, continue to watch. Hey y'all, it's Tiana Chanel and I'm back with another wig install, and this is a wig from Wiggins Hair. So let's get into the unboxing of this. So this wig is a 24-inch pre-braided, pre-styled water wave wig. And I'm gonna show y'all fresh out the pack. I haven't even took it out the pack yet. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-bleached, pre-styled, all the pre's. And this is what you want in a wig. You can wear this glueless, which is also a plus, and look how pretty the texture of this hair is straight out the package. No water, no product, no nothing. And I had a straight wig like this with the same exact hairstyle, and it's very, very cute. And the lace is HD. I have a wig cap on already. So this wig came with a HD wig cap, which is what I already have on, some lashes, a bag to put the hair in, which I love, because these are great to store the hair when you're done, because the boxes be too bulky. And I just put all the stuff in it. Some tape in case you don't want to glue it down, but you want to tape it down. Some rubber bands, and of course, a first time I had a wig like this, it really like blew my mind. Like, I was truly amazed. Just gotta make sure it's neither too far down or too far on the forehead. Yeah, so what I'm about to do is take makeup and put it some more in the hairline. The edges, even though they're already done, I'ma just go in with my mousse from the dough and just make it look a little bit how I would wear on pro. But y'all see how flat it is and how good this looks. So let me wet it and put some mousse on it so I can show y'all. But I'm really loving like this texture and this curl pattern. It's super duper pretty. Always want to start from the end when you're detangling, so you don't mess up or damage it. But this is how the hair is looking wet. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. And this is like totally unneeded. Like, I didn't have to do this because that's how pretty the curl pattern like came. But I just want to show you how it looks wet. And this is how it looks wet versus dry. Still very cute in like any instance. Like, who would want a wig that's already like styled for you guys? I'm gonna do my sideburn stuff. Making my hair dry. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing to both sides.
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
And this is the finished product. And before I finally go, I want to give y'all a final look. Like, for real, y'all, this is great hair. Glueless, 110%. And just a wig that you would want to have, like pre-style, pre-pluck, pre-everything. Like, y'all, when I first started doing wigs, that was like the downfall of having to do a wig. You just have to bleach it, do all that, and now you can just get a wig with everything done. And you don't even have to glue it down for it to look good. I say get it. This is a great deal. The link will be down below in the description. So, yeah. And I'm about to take some thumbnail pictures. This is how I take thumbnail pictures, y'all. I never, like, it never actually be pictures for real. They be like video screenshots. Super thick, super full. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love y'all.